Unlock a universe of limitless creativity with Leonardo AI, and the best part is, you can do it all without spending a dime. First, head over to Leonardo Ai and sign up for a free account. Click that big, inviting, sign up button. You can use your Google or Microsoft account for a super quick setup. Once you're in, you'll see your token balance. Leonardo AI gives you a certain number of tokens daily to use for image generation. Absolutely free, these tokens replenish every single day, so your creative flow never has to stop for long. Now for the magic. Navigate to the AI image generation tool. This is where you'll bring your imagination to life. Carefully craft your text prompt describing exactly what you want to see. Being as detailed as possible will always help. Experiment with the different AI models. Leonardo AI offers each model has its own style and strengths. Try different models to see what styles work best for you. Customize your settings to fine-tune the image generation process. Play around with image dimensions, the guidance scale, and other options to get your desired effects. Once your image is generated, if you love it, just hit that download button and you're done. Don't be afraid to experiment, iterate, and push the boundaries of what's possible, all within your free token allowance. So there you have it, how to unleash the power of Leonardo AI for free. Start creating today and share your masterpieces with the world. Happy creating!